I want to talk to you today about something that affects millions of people, but often goes unnoticed until it starts to limit daily life. Weak legs after 60. You may have noticed it yourself. Climbing stairs feels harder, getting up from a chair takes a little longer, or your legs just don't feel as strong or steady as they once did. It can be frustrating, even a little scary, to feel your body slowing down. But I want you to know this. It's not too late to turn things around. In fact, one simple change, something as small as a bedtime vitamin, could make a real difference in helping your legs stay stronger, more stable, and more active as you age. Before I share exactly what this vitamin is and how it works, I want to ask you a question. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker lately, or do you ever worry about losing mobility as you get older? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences and maybe even what you're already doing to keep your legs strong. Now, let's talk about why this matters. After the age of 60, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. It doesn't happen overnight, but slowly and surely, muscle fibers shrink, strength declines, and balance becomes harder to maintain. The result? Legs that feel tired, unsteady, or less capable than they used to be. But here's the good news. Your muscles are still alive, still capable, still waiting for the right support to grow stronger again. I've seen so many seniors regain power in their legs, improve their balance, and even start walking longer distances again, just by giving their bodies what they truly need, the right nutrients and habits at the right time. And that's where this one bedtime vitamin comes in. I'm talking about magnesium, one of the most underrated and underappreciated minerals for leg strength, recovery, and overall muscle health, especially after 60. You see, magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function. Every single contraction and relaxation of your muscles, from your heartbeat to the way you stand, walk, and climb stairs, depends on magnesium. Without enough of it, muscles can cramp, twitch, and fatigue more easily. And when magnesium levels drop too low, the body struggles to repair and maintain muscle tissue. Many people don't realize that magnesium deficiency is incredibly common in older adults. As we age, our bodies absorb less magnesium from food, and certain medications, like diuretics or blood pressure pills, can make us lose more of it through urine. Combine that with a diet that's low in magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, and it's easy to see why leg weakness or nighttime cramps start to appear. Now, you might be wondering, why take it at bedtime? Well, that's a great question. Magnesium has a natural calming effect on the body. It helps relax your muscles, soothe your nervous system, and support deeper, more restorative sleep. When you take it before bed, your body can use that time, while you rest, to repair and rebuild muscle tissue more effectively. It's like giving your legs a quiet recovery window every night. I've spoken with many seniors who told me that after just a few weeks of adding magnesium at night, their legs felt less heavy, less crampy, and stronger during the day. They were able to walk longer, move easier, and sleep better. Of course, not all magnesium supplements are the same. Some forms are better absorbed and gentler on the stomach. The two I often recommend are magnesium glycinate and magnesium citrate. Magnesium glycinate is particularly good for those who struggle with sleep or anxiety. It's very calming and easy on digestion. Magnesium citrate, on the other hand, is absorbed well and supports muscle function beautifully, though it can have a mild laxative effect for some people. A good starting dose for most adults over 60 is around 200 to 400 milligrams of elemental magnesium per day, taken about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. But as always, I encourage you to talk with your doctor first, especially if you're taking medications or have kidney issues, to make sure it's safe and right for you. Now, I want to make something clear. Magnesium alone isn't a magic pill. It's a powerful piece of the puzzle, but your legs need more than just one vitamin. They need movement, good nutrition, and regular care. When you pair magnesium with even light exercise, like walking, gentle squats, or balance training, you create the perfect environment for your muscles to rebuild. Think of magnesium as the spark plug that helps your body's engine run smoothly. Without it, your muscles misfire. With it, everything works in harmony. You'll feel steadier when you stand, more confident when you walk, and less fearful of losing your independence. Now, let's talk a bit about what happens during sleep, because that's when magnesium really shines. While you sleep, your body produces growth hormones that help repair tissues and muscles. But those processes depend on having the right nutrients available. If you go to bed deficient, your body can't rebuild effectively. Magnesium helps activate enzymes involved in protein synthesis. That's how your body repairs muscle fibers. It also helps balance calcium in your cells, preventing those painful leg cramps many people get at night. You may have noticed those sudden middle-of-the-night cramps in your calves or feet, the kind that make you jump out of bed in pain. That's often a classic sign of low magnesium. Taking it before bed can not only help you avoid those cramps, but also improve the overall quality of your rest. Better sleep means better recovery, and better recovery means stronger legs. I also encourage you to pair your bedtime magnesium with a light source of protein earlier in the evening, something like Greek yogurt, a boiled egg, or a small protein shake. That gives your body the amino acids it needs to rebuild muscle overnight. Magnesium helps direct those nutrients where they're needed most. Now, beyond magnesium, there are a few supporting nutrients that can make your bedtime routine even more effective for leg strength. Vitamin D, for instance, helps your body absorb calcium and supports muscle function. Many people over 60 have low vitamin D levels, especially if they spend little time in the sun. Getting your vitamin D checked and supplementing if needed can make a noticeable difference in muscle power and balance. Another one is potassium, found in foods like bananas, avocados, and leafy greens. Potassium works hand in hand with magnesium to prevent cramps and support nerve function. And then there's vitamin B12, which supports energy production in your muscles. When levels drop too low, fatigue and weakness can set in. But again, if I had to recommend just one bedtime vitamin to start with, magnesium would be it. It's simple, safe for most people, inexpensive, and deeply effective when used consistently. Let's talk a bit about consistency, because that's where most people go wrong. Supplements don't work overnight. Your body needs time to build up stores and repair itself. Give magnesium at least 4 to 6 weeks of daily use to really notice the difference. Take it every night, ideally at the same time, and make it part of your bedtime ritual. Maybe you have a cup of herbal tea, brush your teeth, and then take your magnesium before turning in. That small, peaceful habit can become a reminder that you're doing something good for your body every night, something that will help you move with more strength and confidence tomorrow. If you're already taking other medications or supplements, just make sure to take magnesium at least 2 hours apart from anything that might interfere with absorption, like calcium or certain thyroid medications. Again, a quick conversation with your doctor can help you set up the best schedule. Now, I want to share a quick story that really stuck with me. A woman I spoke with recently, she's 68, told me she used to struggle getting up the stairs to her bedroom. Her legs would shake halfway up, and she'd have to stop to rest. She started adding magnesium glycinate before bed, along with a short evening walk and a bit of stretching. After 6 weeks, she said she could climb the stairs without stopping, and her legs felt alive again. That kind of transformation isn't rare. It's what happens when you give your body what it needs and stay consistent. You don't have to accept weak legs as a normal part of aging. You can age strong. You can stay active, confident, and independent. But it starts with small intentional choices like this one. So if you're over 60 and you've been noticing that your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, or you've had trouble with cramps, balance, or fatigue, start by looking at your magnesium intake. Ask yourself, am I getting enough of this essential mineral each day? And if not, consider adding it to your bedtime routine. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every healthy choice you make adds up. Every night you support your muscles helps you wake up a little stronger, a little steadier, and a little more in control of your health. If you've tried magnesium before or you're thinking about starting, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's worked for you or any questions you might have. We can learn from each other and help others in this community stay strong together. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend or loved one who might be struggling with leg weakness or nighttime cramps. Sometimes a simple tip like this can change someone's life for the better. Take care of your legs, take care of your body, and take care of yourself. You deserve to feel strong at any age. Continued next message. Script will continue seamlessly. When I think about health after 60, I always remind people that strength is not just about muscle. It's about confidence, independence, and quality of life. Every step you take, every time you stand up from a chair or walk to the kitchen, you're using dozens of muscles working in perfect harmony. And when those muscles are nourished and supported with nutrients like magnesium, you feel more stable, balanced, and free. But when you don't have enough of what your body needs, even simple things like getting out of bed in the morning can start to feel harder. That's why I want you to see magnesium not as just another supplement, but as a tool, one that helps you maintain the life you love. Whether that's gardening, walking your dog, or dancing with your grandchildren, your legs are what carry you through those moments, and they deserve your care and attention. So tonight, when you get ready for bed, take a moment to think about your body. It's done so much for you, carried you for decades, healed from injuries, climbed stairs, taken you places. Give it something back. Take that small step of adding magnesium into your nighttime routine and let your body do the rest while you sleep. And as you start to feel stronger, remember that you earned that progress. It's not luck. It's your consistency, your willingness to take control of your health, and your belief that age is not a barrier to strength. If you're looking for simple ways to support your legs along with magnesium, I'd also suggest stretching before bed. Just 5 minutes, pointing and flexing your toes, gently rolling your ankles, or doing a few light calf stretches can improve circulation and prevent stiffness overnight. Combine that with staying hydrated, since dehydration often worsens cramps. And in the morning, when you wake up, take a few steps around the room to wake your muscles before you start your day. These little habits build strength over time, far more than you might expect. I also want to touch on something emotional, because many people over 60 start to feel discouraged when they notice changes in their bodies. They tell me things like, I guess I'm just getting old, or it's too late to make a difference now. But let me tell you, it's never too late. The body is remarkably adaptable, even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Your muscles can still respond, your strength can still improve, your energy can still rise. Magnesium helps you unlock that potential by calming your nerves, relaxing your muscles, and supporting your recovery. But even more than that, it helps you sleep better, and that alone can transform your days. When you sleep deeply, your body restores itself. Your energy the next morning sets the tone for everything you do, your mood, your motivation, your mobility. And when you combine that rest with good nutrition and movement, the results are powerful. So yes, one bedtime vitamin really can help you build stronger legs after 60, but it's also a reminder, a symbol really, that small actions matter, that taking care of yourself in simple, consistent ways leads to lasting change. I've seen it happen again and again. People who thought their best days were behind them, who could barely walk around the block, started feeling stronger just by adding magnesium and moving a bit each day. They slept better, woke up lighter, and felt more confident. They rediscovered joy in everyday activities, things they had quietly given up on. You deserve that too. And as you start your own journey, I want you to keep this in mind. The goal isn't to have the legs you had at 30. The goal is to have the strongest, healthiest legs you can have today. The kind of legs that let you walk where you want, go where you please, and live life fully, without fear of falling, without pain, without limitations. So, before you go to sleep tonight, take your magnesium, stretch for a few minutes, and thank your body for everything it's done. You're not just taking a supplement, you're investing in your strength, your independence, and your future. If this message resonates with you, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and tell me how you're taking care of your legs. Have you noticed a difference since adding magnesium? Or are you just getting started? Let's keep the conversation going, because when we share what works, we lift each other up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos about simple, science-backed ways to stay strong, healthy, and active at any age. Remember, aging is a privilege, but how you age is largely up to you. Give your body what it needs, move every day, and never stop believing in your ability to grow stronger. Because even after 60, even after 70, even after 80, your body still responds to care, effort, and nourishment. You just have to give it the chance. So take that step tonight. One small vitamin before bed, one powerful choice towards stronger legs, better sleep, and a more confident tomorrow. Sleep well, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.